Hey everyone, it's Clary here, and today I'll be showing you how to add plugins to your server. Firstly, in order to add plugins to your server, you'll need to head to your Minecraft Java service. Next, what you have to do is press the Configuration tab. There you'll see a variety of options you can set up. Most importantly, on the Type section, you should set your server to either Spigot or Paper. This is because these are the types that support most plugins. Paper is more optimized and improves the performance of your server, so I'll be selecting that. As for the version, a lot of plugins are updated to the latest version, so I'll also be leaving it at the latest. Lastly, display name is optional. It simply changes the name of your service up here, so you're free to leave that as it is. On the next tab over, you'll see options such as Java memory and Java version. If you're not sure what to put here, you can also leave this, as our services calculate the optimal memory necessary automatically. Once you're done configuring everything, you can select Save and Restart for the necessary changes to take effect. It'll take a couple of seconds to set everything up, but once that's done, you're all good to proceeding to adding plugins. Now that you've set up Paper or Spigot correctly, you're able to install plugins. In order to do this, all you have to do is head to the Files tab of your service. Then open up the Plugins folder. Here you can just drag the plugins you want to install. Once you've added the plugins you'd like here, all you have to do is restart the server for the changes to take effect. Another method of adding plugins is the simple but effective Plugins tab. You can view this tab by looking at the bottom left of your dashboard. The Install tab is where you'll be able to see the plugins you've already installed. The Browse tab is where you'll be able to search for some plugins you'd like and install them. When you find a plugin you'd like, press the Install Latest option, which should immediately install the plugin for you. Once again, make sure to restart the server if you install new plugins. And ta-da! You should now be able to head into your server and view the plugins you've installed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it helped you set up your server. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support or comment down below. Bye guys!